Today we will understand what project management is and how MS project helps us plan, control and monitor construction project professionally. Let me tell what is a project. A project is a temporary, it has clear start and end. For example, building a house start on one date and finish on another date. Daily office work is not a project. Okay. Let me talk about a task. Every project is divided into tasks. In construction, we never plan the whole project in one line. We break it into execution, PCC, footing, columns, beams, slabs, like that. Okay. Resources. Task cannot happen without resources. Resource decide how fast and how costly the project becomes. Understand? Okay. Schedule, milestone and baselines. Milestone are checkpoints like foundation completed. It is a zero duration. Baseline is a very important for PMC. Without baseline, delay claims have no meaning. I will explain this all things while practically once your software is open. Okay. So time being you understand each and every whatever I said. Okay. What is project life cycle? So MS project is mainly used in planning and monitoring stages, which is exactly where PMC works. So you people come to know that project management, how it will works. So main tools is the software. In that we will plan and according to that we will monitor each stages. Let's introduction to software. The software is not a drawing software. It is a planning and control tools. It controls the project from bottom of the activities to until to finish of the activities with including resources and monitoring daily. We need to control what is the planned versus actual execution. So these are all reports we will provide. Later I will explain the reports. Okay. If you open the project, the workspace, everything you see here, control, time, cost and resources. Let me talk about once you open the software, you will find out ribbon, just like Excel ribbon. In Excel format, how it is there. So all the commands are here, same way, but it will be slightly different to inputting your data and other things. That I will teach you. Okay. Let views tables, views, how you are going to view. So in that views is there, Gantt chart, network diagram and task resources, all is there. But most probably in this software we will work it out in Gantt chart. Our main view in the Gantt chart only. 90% of work is happen here only. So timeline and status bar. What is timeline? Timeline is mainly for client and management presentations. So we are for presenting in front of the management, we need have time like month wise, day wise, or year wise, that we need to make it out in the status of the bar. So that is called a timeline. So how to start? Once you open the software, new project, you go to the new project icon is there, you press it. That always start with a project, blank project. Okay, once you open that, the project start date you need to enter. Never enter task dates manually. Manually cannot, never enter. MS Project calculates dates automatically. So you need to go to the project information. There your comments will be given. Okay. It automatically calculates the, once you link the activities, so each and every activity it will calculate. Okay, the date where you are starting, from there it will carry out all activities. Okay, then next thing you need to adjust with calendar. If calendar is gone mistake, schedule itself be mistake. So that's why calendar is the most important. So you need to adjust. If any Sundays is wrongly considered as working days, then it will automatically calculate. That you need to be, while discussion in the kickoff meeting in the project, so they will tell that in weekly 6 days of working days or 5.5 hours is 5 days, and Saturday you make off day, like that. So based on that you need to adjust. While adjusting in the calendar, I will explain each and everything. So clearly note down these all points, students. I will go through with each and everything. You need to understand practically wise. It will be helpful to you. Okay, thank you.